Microsoft Word shortcut keys. Control B, bold. Control F4, Control W, close. Control C, copy. Control X, cut. Alt Shift D, date field. Control Alt, ellipsis. Control Alt num, em dash. Control Alt E, endnote. F11, field next. Control 6, field unlink a field. Control 4, field unlock a field. F9, field update selected. Control F, find. Control D, font. Control Shift F, font. Control N, new file. Shift F5, go back. Control G, go to. F1, help. Control K, hyperlink. Control M, indent increase. Control I, italics. Control E, justify center. Control J, justify full. Control L, justify L left. Control R, justify right. Control 1, line spacing. Control 2, 2. Control 5, 1.5 line spacing. Control Shift L, list bullet style. Alt F8, macros edit. Alt F11, macros view VBA code. Alt Shift X, mark index entry. Alt Shift I, mark TOA citation. Alt Shift O, mark TOC entry. Control F10, maximize window. F10, menu bar. Alt Shift E, merge data edit. Alt Shift F, merge field. Insert. Alt Shift K, merge preview. Alt Shift N, merge to document. Alt Shift M, merge to printer. Alt Shift F11, Microsoft script editor. Control Alt F1, Microsoft system information. Control F6, next window. Control Shift at, non-printing character. Control Shift N, normal style. Control O, open a document. Control O, open. Control V, paste. Control P, print. Control Alt I, print preview. Control Y, redo the last action. Control Y, repeat the last command. Control Alt, remove menu item. Control Q, remove paragraph format. Control Alt Y, repeat find. Control H, replace. Control S, save. Control A, select all. F8, selection extended. Shift F8, selection reduce. Shift F10, shortcut menu. Control Shift K, small caps. Control soft hyphen. Control F3, speak cut to. Control Shift F3, speak paste. Control Alt S, split a window. Control Shift S, style box. Control subscript. Control Shift Q, symbol font. Shift F7, thesaurus. Alt Shift T, time field. Control Alt C, type C. Control Alt R, type R. Control Alt T, type TM. Control U, underline. Control Shift D, Control Shift D, underline double. Control Shift W, underline word. Control Z, undo. Control Alt N, view normal. Control Alt O, view outline. Control Alt P, view page. F6, window pane next. Shift F6, window pane preview previous. Shift enter new line within paragraph.